Hey guys, I got a 2006 Nissan Murano. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance oil life light. What you do first is you go down, click this maintenance button, and it comes to here. You're going to go to engine oil, press enter, go up until reset is selected, press enter, and it'll reset it. I have already reset it, so you can also come down here, press enter, and just change the miles for when it comes back on. I'm just gonna put mine at 5,000, and then yeah, that's how you do it. And then go back and you're back to the radio. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. But this is a 2005 or 6 Nissan Murano. I think it's the same from like an 03 to 2012 maybe. So hopefully this helps, and have a great day.